This is what happened. This is what happened. Come in. So basically, hi guys, it's me. So today we're going to be doing kind of an unboxing. I just want to preface this video, say sorry I've missed a couple days. Actually injured my foot last weekend. This is what happened. Come in. So basically, I was trying to save my niece. She's not even asleep yet, okay? And she was running like this, and there was a weird like step here, and she like running. There's a weird step here, and she was running at an angle. I said, oh no. So then I went this way off the step to try and like cut her off this way, and then I ended up just falling off the freaking step onto my ankle. So I couldn't even walk for a couple of days. Moral of the story is fuck them kids. I'm joking. Anyways, so that's what happened, and then I was worried about getting around at work, and that stuff took precedence before like filming. It was a lot going on. So yeah, let's get into the boxing. So I ordered from Tiny Protectors, I think it was last month, and when they launched, or not launched, but like restocked, and I just got it in. This is like this because I tore off like my address and stuff, but this is the box. And then it says these. Open it up, and it says this. Looks like this. The bottom is, yeah, the bottom is just pink. Okay. And it does come with a card. So the card is actually on the bottom of everything, but this is what the card says. And then it has like the, like if you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it has like, what's that called, embossed? And it's not embroidered, but it has like little designs, but they're shiny and the envelope is matte. So inside it comes with this little girl or guy, or you know, this little card right here, and it just says here's some tips, you know, stuff like that, and then a thank you card, and then it comes with my slip, which my total was $70, tax was $3.97, shipping was $5.50, so my total was $79.47. So I'm gonna put all that back in there. Oh, and I don't know if I show you, they got a little booty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in there. Alrighty, so we're gonna go with this first. So you take out this little pack. This little tag just says the Tiny Protectors on it. It's like a little mushroom pack. Open that up, and you get a little book bag. Look at this little book bag. You sound good at school. Yeah, and that also says Tiny Protectors on this little gold piece. And then pull it out, and I got an alarm. The alarms are $30, I believe. Yeah, look at this little alarm. I don't know if it's focusing or not on the alarm. Then the alarm has a little booty. See the little booty? Okay, you can see how big it is. I have long fingers, so roughly you can see how big it is. And then to make the alarm sound, it would be here. I don't know if it's going to be too loud for the video, so if you have like headphones or anything, like turn the volume down and stuff like that. But you pull, it's kind of loud, you know? So we're going to push that back in, so we don't got to hear that. And then moving on to the only other thing I only got 2 things. I did order something that was pre-order, so it took extra to get to me. But we have this box, you know, and then this says protect yourself on it. This was $40. This is what it looks like when I open it up, and you can see what I got in there. So and this also has like a little instruction thing on the bottom. You can just take this out, and then a charging cord. I don't know if the alarms will eventually run out because there's nowhere to charge it. I don't know how those work, but I'll look into that, like, just for myself. But what are these? Look like some... Anyway, so I got this. This is the stun gun named Cheese. It is a yellow duck, and she got this stun gun has a booty. Cheese has a booty. There we go. Little feet. And so you take off the head, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna put a little warning. This is a stun gun. I don't think I'm gonna actually put the stun on. I'm just gonna show you guys how you would turn it on, but I'm not gonna press the button. And then also just check that they're legal in your state before you go ordering anything. But anyways, so on the side you have the charge port, and then you have, this is a 3-button switch, and then you have this little heart button. That's when you press to make the sun go off. But this little thing, so this bottom position is off. You can put it to the middle, and this becomes a flashlight. If you can see the reflection in my mirror, it's a flashlight. And then it'll be this top, and it turns red. If you can see it red, then you would press the button up here, and it would set up the stun. And honestly, that was the flashlight that you guys just saw flash. Honestly, the first time I clicked that stun, I screamed because that joint is loud. That sucker's loud. I don't know. I'm not gonna test it on myself to see how much it hurt. No, that sucker is loud. It's loud. And it looked like it hurt. So yeah, I got that. Like I said, things were back ordered, so it did take a little over a month to get to me, but that's they said that when they were even I think even the like notifications that they were dropping these things, they did notify us that they would be pre-ordered. So it's nothing that I wasn't expecting. But yeah, I would definitely get more things. There's more designs that I really like the other mushroom with like the hearts, this one. But I would definitely get some more of these things. And they have like the knuckles, though I have brass knuckles already. They're pink, not by them, but they have like the knuckles, and they're like, it's like very sharp on the end. They have all kinds of things, so I would very much so say to go check them out. And I'll put the link down below, and then the link to the things I got as well. I think most of the stun guns are sold out last time I looked, but I don't know if they're gonna do a restock soon or not. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing with that, and show you guys those things. And then if anybody wants to be protected but also have cute items that will protect you, I would say to check them out because they're really nice. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.